In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Discord account, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app on your phone, and once it opens, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. Now, once you're on your profile page, what you want to do is tap on Share Profile, and from there, just copy your profile link. Now, after copying the link, the next thing you want to do is open the Discord app. Now, once Discord opens, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Connections, and here you'll notice that there is no direct Instagram option available. Now, because of that, what you want to do next is open your browser and paste the Instagram profile link you copied earlier into the address bar and load the page. Now, once the page opens, just go to the top address bar again and copy the full Instagram URL. Now, after that, go back to the Discord app, return to the Connections section, and scroll down until you see Add Website or Add Domain, depending on your Discord version. Now, tap on that option and paste the Instagram link you copied from the browser, and then tap Continue. Now, once you do that, your Instagram profile will be linked to your Discord account, and it will show up under your connections. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Instagram account to Discord. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.